In this video, you will see how to make a T-chart on Microsoft Word. As you can see, I have made a T-chart and we can use this T-chart to compare two different things. I have compared here Android versus iPhone. It's very easy to create T-chart template. Let's get started. First, click on the Insert tab and you will see here the option Table. First, insert 2 by 2 table. Now click on this box to select the table. Right click and click on Table Properties, Borders and Shadings, and under the borders select all borders. We don't need upper border, bottom border and right and left borders. So just click on these boxes to remove the borders and you will see the preview here. If you want to change the color of the line, you can select it from here. For example, I will select here red color. And this width is the thickness of the line. At present the line is very thin, so we will increase the thickness to 3 points. After selecting everything, just click on OK and OK. Now go to the Home tab and click on Border to get the thick colored border that we just customized. Now type what you want in the heading, for example Android and iPhone. Now you can either copy paste under the header like this, and you can select everything, increase or decrease the font size as per your need. If you want to give bullet points, you can select everything and then click on this bullets to give the bullet points and left align so it looks properly. You can adjust the size of this box. Click on this small square to select the table and center align the table inside the Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.